Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to format JSON in Notepad++. If you have a JSON file in your PC but you don't have a JSON file reader, Notepad++ conveniently has a built-in plugin that formats JSON files. If you want to learn how to install and use this plugin for your JSON files, keep watching this video to find out. All you have to do is locate the Plugins tab in the top. Click it, then select Plugins Admin. In this list, type in the search bar JSON Viewer. Then check the box of this plugin. And finally click Install. Notepad++ will restart after this. Now that you have this plugin installed, copy your JSON file text into Notepad++. Then use the following shortcut: Ctrl-Alt-Shift-M. And that would be it for today, everyone. I hope this tutorial helps you on your current and future projects.